Hey everybody, how y'all doing today? My name is Buddy Blackford, and today we're gonna go over working on the color panel. And the color panel is just this panel up here in the top right, color. If you don't have it, just go to Window and go to Color, and I'll just turn it back on, so I just turned it off. Hotkey is F6, and the color panel probably will have RGB here, so I'll put it back on there real quick, and you'll probably have something that looks a little like this. So the color panel is used to pretty much pick your different colors depending on what type of color profile you're working with, such as RGB, grayscale, CMYK, and it gives you like a great way to manage your colors as well, using swatches and things like that. And these are swatches, which are just little preset colors that you can pick from and save and everything like that. We're just going to stick with the actual color panel and not the swatches panel this time, and I'll go over a few things with you from there. So I just wanted to show you the color options real quick. We've got first our grayscale slider, and this allows you to pick from black to white from 0 to 100%. So this is 100% black is all the way to the right, and 0 is white. So I'll just put it on 65. I don't know what is there. That's what it was on before. I don't know how I got 67. There we go. 65. And then the next one we have is RGB sliders, and these are your main regular sliders that you'll be mostly using. And as you move these around, you can create different colors here. When this pops up, it means it's not a web safe color, but keep it in the area here, and you can create a whole bunch of different colors. So let's just check out the other ones. We got HSB sliders, and this is hue, saturation, brightness, and these all have up to 255 for a value, and it looks like we're on percent here, so it's going to be 0 to 100% for these. So the hue has 0 to 360, as you can see, and it goes by degrees, and these other two go by percent. So let's go to the nice one, CMYK, and these are also on percent, so 0 to 100% here. And this is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. K stands for black. So let's go to lab sliders. You get L, A, and B. And the L, so yeah, these are called lab. This is one of the other color profiles that you can use. So if you like go to your modes here, you can use lab color. And if you're using that, then you want to use the lab color swat or lab color sliders here. So then you got your main color here. You can do the amount of gray scale in the color, and then here's how you change your colors here using these sliders. So that's pretty sweet. We've got our web color sliders, and they give you a hexadecimal values. So if you're a coder, you'll know what the color is that you're picking out. And if I move these, they go to like their different values here, and then these are web colors. So you can you adjust the amount of color and different types here using clicking on this little spectrum line here. The next section that I want to show you guys is the spectrums. And let's come over here, and we can come down here to the RGB spectrum, CMYK, all these. We'll start with the RGB spectrum. When you click on that, it converts this lower part here to the spectrum that you chose. So when I clicked on RGB, it converted the lower portion of the color panel here to the RGB spectrum, and clicking anywhere in it will change up the active color that you can use. And when you are changing up these colors, you can see the color as well over here, and this is the color that you're going to be used when you're doing something such as painting or something like that. Now let's go and check out these other ones. We got CMYK, and it just changed it. You can barely notice it when it changes, but it does change the colors. We've got grayscale, and then you can definitely see what's going on there. And then, oop, my bad, clicked on the wrong thing. And then we've got current colors, which is going to go from the hue and saturation of your orange here. So as you can see there, but when I clicked on it, it changed it to the white because I went way too far. So if I go back and just change it to some other color, it's gonna, when you click on it, it's gonna change your color swatch to that, and then it's gonna go based on the color that you just clicked. So I click that, now it's based on that. If I click over here on white, as you can see, I click on white and it goes to more like of the shades of the whitish pink that I got there. Now, if you're working on something that's only for like a website or something like that, and you need to have web safe colors, you can restrict this so that you can only have web safe colors here. So if you click on make ramp web safe, it's only going to show you the web safe colors, and that way you know that you're not going to screw up when you and have like colors that aren't available on the web. If you want to be able to change your colors a little bit easier, I would recommend double clicking on the color box here, and then you can use the Adobe color picker to pick your color. So you got the slider here, which I'm sure everybody knows about doing this, but this is how you pick your colors. You can enter in your values here, lab values, RGB, hue, saturation, brightness, or the CMYK, and also here's your hexadecimal value here. I'll change that around and you can see all these are changing, and the hexadecimal value is changing as well. So click here to change it to only web color so you can see how different it is. So the Adobe color picker and RGB and the CMYK have more than just than the web safe colors here. So that's it for this tutorial, and thanks for watching this one. I just went over all the ways to use your color panel here, and it's good to know some of the basics about using it so that you know how to use in case you weren't aware of the different options and everything like that. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good one.